So tell me, when was the last time you went online shopping? Amazon, Google? If you're like most people, it was likely very recently. Well, guess what? Real estate is really no different. When you're selling your home and placing a yard sign on the front lawn, sticking it on the MLS, that's pretty basic. But are you missing out on social media platforms with the most traffic? I'm Cher Revolinski with ExtraMileHomes. You need maximized exposure to get your home in front of the most potential buyers. 95% of buyers search online for their homes and 77% use social media to search. Yet only 16% of agents use social media in their marketing strategy, and only 1% are doing it correctly. As a real estate professional, I want to offer more and better, so I follow a proven, disruptive, strategic digital marketing plan that places your home in front of thousands of potential buyers. And guess what? You're probably looking at this video as a result of those efforts. Now, if you'd like to hear more about how I use the tools of Fortune 500 companies to place your home in front of more buyers, give me a call. I'm Cher Revolinski with eXp Realty, going the extra mile because it's never crowded.